And it's got people on all sides of the equation, whether that is inflation, short-term economic slowdown, all the reflation trades may be kicking in, lots of sector rotation occurring. I just really honestly, the way you look at this market, I think that nobody really has a good handle. If you're a short-term trader, they really don't have a good handle on what's occurring, because I would hate to be on a strong non-data driven short sell, on a strong short sell in a market like this where one tweet can flip it. That's a dangerous place to be if you're trading on margin, especially. But on the inflation side, and I was thinking about this over the weekend, we know that the Fed is not going to consider a step change in prices inflationary. And I think the market writ large agrees with that, because if we brought up the topic of minimum wages and how minimum wages can create a step change in input prices, but that does not necessarily denote a trend. It's just simply a step change. So that aside, if we look at oil and what has happened in the last week with oil, CPI data is reported over a rolling 12-month period, meaning that when they report in April, it will be for March compared to March of last year. When they report in May, et cetera, it'll be April for last year. From this time 12 months ago, oil is down almost 30%.
Yeah.
So that's going to be very interesting to see how that feeds into the inflation data. That does take time. Same thing with housing. That's taken a long time to, if we look at the Trueflation, which is very interesting data, it's private sector data. It's not the government CPI, but they do a pretty good job of spotting the trend.